here we go. To pay the bills without fear of losing everything. Oh, it's awesome. I've been there. I've been homeless. The feeling you're just so fearful of what you're supposed to do next. You don't even know what to do. You're just scared of being scared and you're just stuck. And boy, I know what the feeling is. So was the Apostle Paul, Brian? He knows what it's like to live with little and with a lot, right? With to be in want and not. And I tell you, I've been in both places, and it really is less stressful when you don't have to worry about how to pay your bills. It's great. When there's some new subscription and you just do it. It's done. When you have extra money, y'all, things are faster. You just get things done because you're not busy debating all the little things because you don't have to worry about that so much. Now, obviously, it's still intelligent to be frugal, no matter how wealthy you are, but still, it's a little less concerning. You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live. All right. This person wants to be debt free. And I think what I want you to be thinking about, y'all, is why? Why do you want to be debt free? It's because it feels so good. It's because every day you can wake up knowing you don't have that burden on you. Inflation has destroyed this person's life savings. Yeah, inflation has been a killer unless you owned a lot of real estate. Real estate is the inflation killer. Inflation is how inflation is awful, and we won't go down the roads of economic policy, but it is what it is, and we live in that world. You and I probably don't have any major control over it, but we can own real estate.
Yeah, there's a lot of folks that maybe that you don't love your job. Maybe you don't feel fulfilled in your job. Maybe you're doing what you're doing to make someone else wealthy, and you're getting close to retirement and not seeing any of that sitting in your account, especially if you're
Yeah.
waiting around on the stock market or something. So you definitely need the right opportunity, and real estate is just the vehicle of vehicles to create wealth.
hmm Yeah, obviously we're a little biased, right, y'all? We're gonna support real estate, but would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.